Guys, I'm looking at all these cute rain boots. I really like the black ones, but they don't have my size. I need these are 21, and so I tried on the purple ones. They're 23, so that's my size. They also have these, but I'm kind of digging the purple over those, but we'll see. I don't know. Which one should I get? I might leave them here, and then you guys help me and let me know which ones I should get. Purple or checkerboard. Oh, or they have these, but oh man, they're 22. Let's see if I can squeeze my foot in these. These have little unicorns on them. Oh, so cute. Alright guys, so when you stay in the store long enough, you end up buying more than what you need. So Adam's gonna get these rain boots because they're super cute, and it's raining today, so it's perfect. He needs these shoes for school because he's taking nice pictures tomorrow. And then I don't have a pair of rain boots, so yeah, I'm getting those today. This is my purchase. You guys, I am so excited right now driving the car. We were going to Mega, which is like Walmart of Japan, and I'm passing like all these new stores. I'm so excited. Oh! I'm just hyped. Like it's kind of like when you were in the States and you know how like Target is always in a shop, okay? That is how excited I am right now. After we leave Penguin store, we're going to all these stores. My camera's dying, but I just wanted to tell you guys how excited I am about all this new stuff they done built overnight. Like, when did they build this stuff? All right, let me take my kids to the pet store like promised. So this is Mega. This is like the Walmart of Japan. They sell just about everything from food to things to send home to the States. Just about anything you can think of. So, but we're going to the pet store right now. When a new store opens up, they always do this. They put balloons and a bunch of flowers like you see here. So, woo! This is the new restaurant. But I'm not going to eat here today. Maybe next time. Adam knows how to say dog, so he's yelling, dog. Look at those fighting. You hear them? Adam, what is it? It's a what? Dog. Say it again. Say dog. See, I love when they give the little kids carts so they can shop with mama. Alright guys, so I'm packing my groceries in the bag here, and I'm also feeding Adam. They have a little microwave right here. So I just heated up my meal that I purchased from them. This was such a bad keto day. I burned my chicken. We're at the monkey store. Looking for a fridge. Today is Monday. Say happy Monday, Jordan. Monday. Alright. So this is a small cooler. I guess this is a small freezer part of the fridge. And it's super teeny tiny. A little bit bigger, the freezer part up here. And teeny tiny refrigerator down the bottom. So we're going with this one because I think our freezer is dying too. Alright, so we got our fridge. Jordan, say cheese. I'm waiting for Dad to pull the car up. So we got the fridge, and I started praying like, please God, let there be a man that we can actually ask to help with the fridge, because the guy said that the fridge was really heavy. So I was praying, and then God answered. Josh knows the guy that's helping him take our fridge upstairs. I'm so happy. That's so crazy. Like, what are the odds somebody actually speaks English that Josh knows? That guy's Hawaiian and Japanese, and he just randomly was at a Hatomoto, which is where we were going to order food from tonight, because I didn't buy a lot of groceries. I only bought a little bit because our fridge is broken basically. So I don't feel like going grocery shopping after the day we've had. I'm kind of like irritated because it took us over an hour to find a fridge because we went to the wrong place and they were like, no, we don't sell fridges. So then we had to go with traffic, we had to go all the way across town to go get this fridge, and it's not even the right size. It's tiny, but it's a fridge and it works. So I'm glad somebody was able to help take it upstairs because I don't know how I was gonna do it if it was that heavy. Alright, so I'm gonna go cook dinner. It's gonna be a keto dinner for me tonight. I'm going to have hamburger, cabbage, and broccoli for dinner. And the kids will have fried chicken, rice, and broccoli. And Josh probably will eat some of my hamburger and cabbage too. Who knows? Put this dress on because it's so hot. And I just wanted to put something on quick. So you might see me in this dress a lot.
Hi guys, Jordan's here.
So we found a Uniqlo. These are cute glasses right here. This is newly open. It's like 7 days old. Adam! Let me see the glasses. I don't know why he keeps falling on the ground. This is what it looks like.